A very warm good morning to all my dear students. You know that we are on chapter number 16 and we will discuss human eye and its function in this topic. Let us discuss something about human eye. See beta, this is the structure of human eye. This is quite different from your book. You can use your book diagram. Basically, the human eye is a light sensitive organ and it enables us to see the beautiful world around us. The eyelids act as a shutter of the eye and protect them from shock, injuries and bright light. When you look at your eye in the mirror, you can see that on the outside the eye has a eyeball, and there is a white plate all around it. Means when you see in your mirror that you can see a white portion around the black portion, which is eyeball. The eyeball is almost like a spherical ball and it has a diameter of about 2.5 centimeter. The outer part of eye is composed of 3 layers, that is sclera, choroid and retina. Now we will discuss the various structure and function of human eye. The first word is sclera. Let me mark this. This is sclera. Now we will discuss its function. See beta, it is the outer covering. It is this covering. ये जो बाहर है. This is the outer covering. The outer covering of the eye. It is made of white, tough, fibrous tissue. And what is its function? Its function is to protect the vital. Vital means important internal parts of eye from external injuries. Now moving on to the second part, that is choroid. It is the dark. See beta, choroid is this lining. Let me tell you which one is choroid. जो ये इस स्क्लेरा के बाद जो ये लाइट, ये जो डार्क लाइनिंग है, that this lining is choroid. This is choroid. So what is the function? It is a dark gray pigmented layer. It is attached to the sclera on its inner side. It is called choroid and it is richly supplied with blood vessels. It darkens the eye from inside and hence prevents any internal reflection. ये हमारी eye को अंदर से dark रखता है because to avoid any kind of internal reflection. Now moving on to the next part, that is cornea. We can easily see in this figure where is cornea located. This is cornea. This part is cornea. This is called the outermost. This part is cornea. Okay, so it is the layer continuous in front of the eye as cornea, and it is a transparent white portion of the eye which covers the bulge on the surface of the bulge means outside. ये वाला जो outside bulge है इसको भी cover करता है ये. And it allows, what is the function of this cornea? It allows the light to enter into the eyeball. Now moving on to the next part, that will be the retina. This is retina. And what is the function of retina? It is the innermost delicate membrane. ये बहुत अंदर जो light yellow color की membrane है, that is, this is अंदर की side से है ये. This delicate is retina. Have a large number of light sensitive cells. इनके पास 2 type के light sensitive cells हैं. That is rods and cones. The cones are sensitive to bright light and can detect color, whereas rods are sensitive to dim light. Now next is iris and pupil. This is their function is is very important. This is iris and this is pupil. So what is their function? See beta, it lends color to the eye. Okay, whether we have gray, black, bluish color. Behind the cornea is the iris. Cornea के पीछे iris है. And the amount of pigmentation in the iris gives color to the eyes. And when the pigmentation is highest, the color is black or brown. When the pigment is least, the color will be blue. And the iris has a central circular aperture called pupil, and its function is to regulate the amount of light entering the eye. सी बेटे, इसका एग्जाम्पल है कि जब भी हम किसी डार्क रूम में एंटर करते हैं, इफ़ द लाइट इज़ टू ब्राइट, द आइरिस एक्सपैंड्स एंड द प्यूपिल अलाउ मोर लाइट टू एंटर द आई. अगर डार्क रूम है तो मेरा प्यूपिल एक्सपैंड हो जाएगा ताकि उसके अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा लाइट जाए एंड आई कैन एबल टू सी द थिंग्स. इफ़ द लाइट इज़ क्वाइट ब्राइट, जैसे अगर हम किसी फ्लैश के सामने चले जाते हैं तो हमारी आईज ऑटोमेटिकली बंद हो जाती हैं. एंड द रीज़न बिहाइंड इट इज़ द प्यूपल एडजस्ट itself to decrease the amount of light entering the eye. This is the function of iris and pupil. Now we are moving on to crystalline lens. It is held in position with the help of ciliary muscles. See beta, where is the lens? You can see in this figure. This is the lens. And this is which lens? This is convex lens. This is convex lens. So what is its function beta? It is just behind the, it is a transparent crystalline double convex lens which is just behind the iris, and it held in position by the help of ciliary muscles, and ciliary muscles are there to control, to hold this lens. Next is suspensory ligaments. Okay, along with ciliary muscles, suspensory ligaments are also attached to the lens, which helps a lens to held in its position. Now what is the function of optic nerve? See, I will show you first where is optic nerve. This is the optic nerve. What is the function? It consists of about millions of nerve fibers that connect the rods and cones of the retina to the brain. इसकी कनेक्शन हमारी किसके साथ है? ब्रेन के साथ. ये हमारे ब्रेन के साथ कनेक्टेड है. It is connected to brain and its function is to carry optical messages. Optical means related to vision. The messages related to vision is sent to the brain. Now we have two different things, aqueous humor and vitreous humor. See beta, aqueous humor जो है, eye, the space between eye, between cornea and the eye lens. देखिए बेटा, cornea यहाँ, ये जो space है, that space vitreous humor. और जो अंदर सारा फिल्ड है ये, दिस इज कॉल्ड विट्रियस. रेटिना और लेंस के बीच में, रेटिना और लेंस के बीच में ये जितना भी शेडेड पोर्शन है, ये सारा क्या है? विट्रियस ह्यूमर. और जो हमारा आई और कॉर्निया के, जो हमारा आई के बीच, कॉर्निया और आई लेंस के बीच में स्पेस है, कॉर्निया और आई लेंस के बीच में जो स्पेस है, that is aqueous humor. And last one is blind spot. इसको blind spot, blind means अंधा, so it is known as blind spot because there is no vision. इसके इस पे कुछ नहीं दिखता है. No vision is possible at this spot. And what is this spot? It is at the junction of optic nerve and retina. जहाँ पर ऑप्टिक नर्व और रेटिना का जंक्शन है, ज्वाइनिंग पोर्शन है, ज्वाइनिंग जंक्शन है, वहाँ पर ये ब्लाइंड स्पॉट है. एंड देयर इज़ नो विजन इन दिस पार्ट. इस पार्ट में किसी भी तरीके का कोई भी विजन नहीं है. सो दिस इज़ द डिफरेंट फंक्शंस दैट वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड. जस्ट हैव अ लुक ऑफ इट वेरी ब्रीफली. आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट एंड देन विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. See beta, pupil opens and closes in order to regulate the amount of light. Iris controls light level similar to aperture of a camera. Sclera its protective covering. Cornea is membrane which provides the focusing power. Lens helps to focus Aqueous humor provides power to the cornea. Vitreous humor provides the eye in the form and shape. And optic nerve captures the light focused on the lens and sends impulses to brain via optic nerve. And what is the function of optic nerve? Optic nerve transmit electric signals to the brain. Ciliary muscles contracts, extends in order to change the lens shape for focusing. So this is all about the parts of eye and its function. Now we are moving on to the working of eye. See बेटा हाउ इट वर्क्स. सबसे पहले आपको ये जो फ्लो चार्ट है इसको ध्यान से समझना है. फर्स्ट पार्ट क्या कहता है? लाइट कमिंग फ्रॉम द ऑब्जेक्ट एंटर्स द आई थ्रू द कॉर्निया एंड द प्यूपिल. सबसे पहले जो लाइट हमारी आई के अंदर एंटर हो रही है वो कॉर्निया और प्यूपिल कंट्रोल करेगा. The lens focus the light rays to form a real inverted and highly diminished image on retina. And this type of image is formed on retina, which is real, inverted and highly diminished. After that, the sensory cells, rods and cones get activated and generate electrical signals. These electrical signals are sent to the brain by the optic nerve, and after that the brain interprets these signals and renders the object erect image of the object. So ये हमारे ब्रेन के अंदर सीधी इमेज बनाता है, बट एक्चुअली जो हमारा लेंस इमेज बनाता है इट इज़ इन्वर्टेड. तो ब्रेन जो है इसको सिग्नल्स को कन्वर्ट करता है एंड इट इज़ डन विद अस. नाउ वी आर मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट सम फैक्ट्स. हम कुछ फैक्ट्स के बारे में बात करेंगे. The fact is, an owl can see in dark night. Its retina has a large number of rods and a few cones. क्योंकि आउल जो है वो डार्क नाइट में देख सकता है, इसके पास बहुत ज़्यादा रोड्स होते हैं पर कुछ ही कॉन्स हैं. Therefore, it can see in dim light, but not in the bright light. The eye of a crab are quite small, but they are able to look all around. Due to this, a crab can notice an army even it comes from behind. These are some certain facts about some animals and birds about their eyes. If I am talking about birds like kite and eagle, they can see during the day but not at night because their retina has more cones and fewer rods. Now about butterflies have large eyes which appears to be made of thousands of little eyes. The butterflies can see in front, at sides and also at the back. So this is all about the working and structure of eye. Next is persistence of vision. What do you mean by persistence of vision? See beta, when the light coming from an object falls on retina, that impression remains on the retina just for about some seconds. The impression of that image lasts for 1/16th of a second. अगर मेरे रेटिना पे कोई इमेज बनी है तो वो इमीडिएटली नहीं जाती है. It takes 1/16th of a second. 1/16th of a second टाइम तक वो मेरे रेटिना पे रहती है. So when still images of a moving objects are flashed on eye at a rate faster than 16 images per second. अगर मैं एक सेकेंड में 16 इमेजेस रेटिना के आगे रख दूँ तो मेरे रेटिना को वो मूविंग नज़र आएंगी. वाई? बिकॉज पिछली इमेज अभी मेरी होगी, अगली इमेज वो मूव हो जाएगी, तीसरी इमेज फिर होगी, देन फोर्थ वन. सो वो मुझे एक मूवी की तरह नज़र आएगा. इट विल बी मूविंग. The eye perceives this object as moving and this is called persistence of a vision. This, see beta, in this figure 4 persons are lying. Okay, see. First is, this is an image. First is this, second is this, third image is this and fourth image is this. If these images are shown at a rate of 16 images per second, then it appears to us in the us moving. तो ये मुझे moving नज़र आएंगी. So the movie which you see in on a cinema hall screen are due to the persistence of vision. जो हम सिनेमा में movies देख पाते हैं This is because of this phenomenon only. In actual practice, any scene consists of a number of separate pictures in proper sequence. The images of these pictures are made to move in front of the eye at a rate of 24 pictures per second, 1.5 times faster than the persistence of vision, or 16 pictures per second. This gives a sense of continuity and hence you can see the moving pictures. और इसकी वजह से हम पिक्चर्स, हमें जो पिक्चर है वो मूव करती हुई नज़र आती है. So this is all about the today's topic. I hope this the working of eye and persistent of vision is clear to you. You read this topic very carefully. Tomorrow we are going to discuss about the defects of vision. हमारी आईज में कौन कौन सा डिफेक्ट होते हैं, उसकी कैसी करेक्शन है, and how we can take care of our eyes. Thank you. Till then you can read this topic.